So hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Prithviraj, and you are watching RRPC vlogs. So how are you all guys? I know I'm not posting any videos. I'm irregular because I had some complications going on these many days. But now those things are being little reduced, and I got some time. So I thought, it's been a long time, and I thought of making a video. So today I'll be riding a Royal Enfield Himalayan. This is the first time where I'm going to ride the bike, and I really like to give an experience on those things because in future I might take a Himalayan 411 or 450 or even this one also. So let's give a review, and I hope it is the best one. As few of my friends says, Himalayan is very good bike and which has a very good pickup and which has a lot of features. So I thought, why don't I test it myself? Okay, guys, I'll see you on the road. Bye bye. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you'll never miss an update. So, and I'll keep a track on, I'll be regular and post videos whenever I get time. Yeah. Thank you. I'll see you on the road. So guys, here is the bike which is my friend's, and that's my Royal Enfield. Actually there are no mirrors because recently I met with an accident where the mirrors were gone, the headlights were gone, and especially the seats gone. So I need to change those. 90% of the work is done, and only the thing is the seat should be changed. Let's do it very slow. So guys, let's go. I don't feel this bike is so heavy. Now it's easy to movable. As usual, ignition 5 seconds, we need to wait, and then we need to give a start. Unfortunately, there is no kicker for this Himalayan. That's the first sound. As you can see, there's a beautiful cluster over there for the RPM and the kilometers per hour, the miles per hour, and the fuel quantity. And here when we come, it shows temperature, total kilometers, to trip 1, and the time. Actually the time is not proper. Okay, let's go. I can feel the pull. Nice pickup. I think it gives an average of 35 kilometers per liter. Hope so. If it gives, that's a great one. This model is a 2022 model, which is not that old. It's just a 1.5-year-old bike. I know even I'm giving a very late review on in my video. I didn't have some time. And the happy news is I got my new laptop, which is an Inspiron 16 crazy laptop, which is a 16-inch display with 16 GB RAM, 1 TB ROM, and it's an i7 processor and 13 Gen, which is very nice. And it has a graphic card of Iris RE. I feel very blessed. Actually my Classic 350 weighs somewhere around 200 kgs. Just a stock bike without adding any crash guards or any other thing.
Saturday, and then also there is traffic in Hebbal. Yeah, very straight. And I think it's a traffic-free bike, you know. No strain on this bike, and no strain on the body also. Even the body posture is straight. I'm sitting straight, backbone straight, where I'm not, till now I'm not getting any back pain suddenly or immediately. I hope I won't get it in the long ride also. Oh, crazy, they're struggling. Actually, he was giving a space for me to go forward. You know, actually it's a two-wheeler free road. Only cars should stop. Two-wheeler won't take much of a space over here. So he was just trying so that he can go aside to the left or the right, I mean to the right, so that I can move on, and others too. But he couldn't. But then also he gave a try. That's really nice. Oh, finally he succeeded to give some space. This bike's fuel tank is somewhere around 15 liters, I think so. It gives a good mileage actually for a 400 or 4. And I think it's a hands-free mode. Whoa. So guys, if you have a Himalayan, just let me know in the comments how does it feel to ride a Himalayan every day in the traffic. That would be really nice, helpful. And recently I had given a trial ride on Himalayan 450, the new Himalayan 450, and it feels very good, more powerful, more comfortable and more durable. And although it weighs too much, but the power is there. For sure, the power is really nice in that bike. I really genuinely like the cluster over here. You know, all the features over there. I can see my fuel, I can see the tracker, I can see everything, even the miles per hour. I think even I don't have on my Bullet because it's a BS6 Bullet, which is a 2019 model. They have not given on that, and especially the RPM into 1000. Yeah, we have a green. Have no pain right now. I'm totally comfortable sitting here and riding this bike, which is really nice. I think I can buy it really. The brakes are also very tight and hard. I think I can really do an overtake on this with a high speed. Just not like the Royal Enfield 350 Classic. Because in that Classic, that is a way too much, heavy bike, which is a 200 kg, which takes too much of power to stop it. Even with the rear brakes and even with the disc brakes, it's very hard because it's a heavy bike. Come on, and even I weigh somewhere around 100 kgs. That combines a 300 kg of a bike and a man riding on the road, trying to stop at a 40 or 70 kilometers per hour. It's a very hard thing. And the seating is also totally comfortable, really, guys. I don't know what is this. First I thought it's a compass, but now it's not showing the thing what I really expected. So I thought it would show north, south, east and west, but right now it's showing somewhat G3 or G2 or G1. Let me know in the comments, guys, what's the meaning of the G3 or G2. See? Even this is really comfortable. I don't think so. I don't have any complications standing and riding this bike for a 100-kilometer stretch. I have a habit of riding with a half clutch in my bike, but this bike is a full clutch, so I'm really feeling a little bit, uncomfortable. But I'll get used to it very soon. I mean, I got this bike only for a day. Actually, for my height, this bike is really great. My height is, I'm somewhere around 6.2, and this bike gives me a clear stance of giving me a full confidence on riding it every day. See? If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you will never miss an update. And I'll try to keep posting videos very regularly so that I will be in a streak. Whenever I get a time like this, I will keep on doing videos and keep on editing and posting them.